Today we're going to do a bit of work on this an old police light. You can see it's broken here, or cut. So we're going to have to fix this. We're going to determine if it's a 6 volt or 12 volt when we pull it off. Check out the light bulb. And there's 4 different wires. So we'll have to figure out what each of those do and see if we can get that thing working. Stay tuned. We got Waylon taking off the screw. So there's the glass off, or plastic lens. And then let's take a look at the bulb. So here's the bulb. And there's usually a marking right here if it's a 12 volt or 6 volt. And it says 3507. We'll have to take a closer look. So we finally found the bulb we're looking for. Some of these other ones, these are double pole on the bottom, double filament, 6 volt. We've got 12 volts. This is a 6 volt single pole on the bottom and single filament. So we managed to find one of these. So looks like a perfect match. So we'll try that out in that police light. Pull this towards you.
Oh, it's so tiny. Why is it that tiny?
So we're gonna have to take these apart, put some new ends on it, and continue on. Hold them on there. So we got the light rewired. That little motor that turns it was seized a little bit, and cleaned the contacts. You know, put a new wire in and hooked up to a 6 volt battery, and we'll put it back together now. So there we go, back together, working again. I know my battery on here is a little bit weak. I'll put it on the charger and then we'll see how that works later. Pretty cool. An old police light for a Harley. I like it. I like it.